1970 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the 472 cubic inch 7.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in overall good condition. I did find a few spots. Right there in the rear quarter. Driver's side frame and floor pan. She has a little opportunity underneath. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Lower doors does have surface, but it's all solid metal. She has power windows, power locks. Seats in good shape. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reached a little over 49,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 472 cubic inch 7.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. Your dream car truck is one call away. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.